There was no denying that I was supposed to be doing this because the universe kept rewarding me. Not financially. The universe had me broke as a joke. But as far as the work I kept getting better and better assignments. Oh, Bevy, you're going to interview Natalie Cole on Access Hollywood. Oh, Bevy, you're going to interview Andre Leon Talley for BT. Oh, kept getting all these really great nods that the universe was telling me, yeah, you got it, girl. You're doing what you're supposed to be doing. If I had been ignoring that because I wasn't making money at it, that's only one way to chart success, the money. You got to look at the work that you're doing. And if the work that you're doing is actually fulfilling you, then yeah, you're successful. You're winning. That's all we all want, right? We all want to be able to realize our dreams too. In my book, I always talk about daring to dream. I dared to dream, and then the universe conspired to give me my dreams and make them come true. Now, there was no money attached to it initially, but then the money caught up. And it's cute now. It's nice for me. I got a nice life. Look at you. Sometimes I'm like, oh, look at you.